Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I welcome the students of Standard 8 to the online classes of computer. As we have already finished our chapter number 1 in the previous class, now we are moving forward to the chapter number 2, that is more on HTML, working with text, tables, links, forms and frames. So now let us understand all these HTML elements in detail. First, text. You can also add the text into the HTML element. Like in the Microsoft Excel, we were creating the table. We are entering the records of the employees of the students or regarding anything. So in the same way here also in HTML we can create the tables. Then links. We can also give the anchor links or the hyperlinks which will redirect you to the different page. So that links are also possible in HTML. Then forms. You can also create the registration form for the user in which he or she can enter his or her details. And last is frames. So this all are the HTML elements which will make your HTML page more attractive and interactive. So now we will learn about these HTML elements in detail. First, let's move forward to the introduction. In the previous chapter, all the HTML elements we have discussed are display oriented and affect the way a page appears within a browser. It means that they are only display oriented. The display which we can see and observe is only there. In this chapter, we will discuss those elements which will help to make your web pages more attractive and interactive, as I have already discussed. The HTML form is an element that does not affect the display but allows the reader to send information back to the server. It means that what is a form? So the form is an element that affects the display. It allows the reader to send the information. First, it takes the information in the form of registration form. It takes the information from the user and then it sends the information back to the server. For example, if you are creating a registration form to enter, it means that who have registered your form. You can take their name, their details, their mobile number, the radio button, their hobbies, their gender. If you want to get a complete information about the user, he or she using your HTML page, then a form is required. Okay, so the form accepts the data from the user and sends it back to the server. Furthermore, you will learn about frames that divide the browser window into different parts. Okay, so first starting with the designing multiple pages for a website. So if you are creating a website and if you want that 3 pages or more than 3 or 4 pages are displayed on your web page. For example, if you are creating any website, if you are creating a website of our school, then also many things are there. First, you have to create the home page and all the basic introduction will be displayed. Second is subsidiary pages, then the topics, then the facilities provided by the school. Like this, other different pages you can create in which each page contains the detail about one thing. So that is called the website. While designing a complete website, you need to design multiple pages. Okay, so once you are designing a website, then you have to design multiple pages and each page contains a different information. The web page should be creative with a professional look. Your web pages should be very professional. If you are creating a website regarding to the official site, it means for official purposes if you are creating, then your website must be very creative and should be having a professional look. Web pages on a website are broken down into main pages or main groups. First is home page that contains the basic information. Second is main topic pages that contains the details or the description, and subsidiary pages. So a web page designing is a step-by-step procedure where you start with a home page, then go on a design, and the main topic pages are finally the subsidiary pages. So let us discuss about this 3 group of pages. So now we will study about this group of pages in detail. So first we will study about the home page. The home page is the gateway of your site. It means that the entry of your site. Whenever in any of the website, if you log in, the home page will be displayed. So it is the very first page of any of the website, or it is also known as a gateway or the main gate of that site. It is also known as the front page. It has a roadmap, an index and a table of contents that inform the users where to find the important information they need. It means that it is an index of the table. You will able to see many tables So a basic information about everything, or the information of what your website contains. So the basic info about what you have created, the website, all this information should be displayed on the home page. So a home page is the most important page of the website, because it gives a first impression of the website, that how your website will be. So if you are writing an exam, your first page will give your impression. It means if you have written first answer correct, and if you are writing with a very good handwriting, then the teacher from the very first page, from the beginning, he or she will be knowing that you are a good student. So here also, so the first page of any of the website is the first impression of the website, that how it looks. It should look professional, ethical and artistic. The home page should convey the purpose of the site, for what purpose you have created the site, or what is your site about. That should be very clear in your home page. The home page, the content of the site and the way to find that content are shown in the home page of the website http://vivagroupindia.com. So here they are giving us one example, that how this website we can create. It means how the website looks, or how the home page of the website looks. So here the website is given of the Viva publication books. So they have very creatively created their web page. The designing is very up to date. You can see many web pages are there, or very many pages are there in your website. So the very first page is home page, then second is catalog, third is bestseller, special offers, buy online, publishers, downloads, about us, contact us and carriers. It means that a Viva publication website have created multiple pages in their website. So first we will discuss about the home page. You can see that a search button is there. Here you can search. It means title of the book, which book you want. Many books of Viva publications are available. So which book you want, you can search it in the home page. Then what is the latest book published, or where is your leading room. Then many books, you can also see the cover pages of many books available. It means your home page should be very attractive. A person should get the complete information about your website from your front page. Okay students, so here we have discussed our home page. Now we will move forward to the main topic pages in our next period. For now, bye bye, have a great day ahead.